YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers and I can't do it without you guys. We're trying to get to Colombia, guys. Viva la Colombia. Right. But before we get into the video, guys, talking about Toshi, I just got to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. I just talk about things that are trending in cryptocurrency. Today, we got to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. But then we'll dive right into Toshi. So as you guys could see, $3.13 trillion market cap on Bitcoin right here. Fear Greed Index now coming in at a 37. But honestly, guys, this thing might be actually ticking back a little bit. This might not be real time because I think tomorrow it's going to probably look a little different. It's going to probably look like we're seeing a lot more fear. But we did drop all the way down, as you guys could see, to that 94 range just recently and started to create some nasty patterns. We were talking about just yesterday the fact that a lot of fake outs do happen early in the week on Mondays. Bitcoin decided to want to create this rising wedge, which is again something that we talked about on the live stream. If you guys are not yet plugged in to the channel, plug in so that you can see these live streams. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to go live if this video can get 200 likes on it. I'm going to go live. We're going to cover Toshi and we're going to cover Bitcoin and we're going to cover all the coins that you guys are interested in me talking about or looking into or whatever. But anyway, guys, you guys could see Bitcoin created this rising wedge right here and then it created this bear flag right here. And this was ugly because we decided that we wanted to break down. We talk about that bear flag. And it looks like Bitcoin's starting to consolidate, but you guys can see the market is still really split on how they feel, the sentiment. A lot of people feeling bullish, some people feeling bearish as well. As you guys can see, this guy says Bitcoin down the drain, I say. This guy's saying I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So a lot of people back and forth on Bitcoin. Then, of course, people just spamming all kinds of stuff. But what do you guys think? Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? We did talk about the fact that we do have some long-term indicators that are still showing that we could possibly still not be broken fully down. We've been talking about it on the channel. Again, if you haven't been watching the channel, tap in. But let's talk about crypto bubbles also. As you guys could see, the whole market absolutely getting smacked today. Couple coins surviving, doing pretty decent. Pulse Chain seems like Sui's doing pretty decent. Virtual, a couple of these coins we've talked about on the channel, but as you guys could see, let's talk about some Toshi, right? Let's talk about some Toshi. As you guys could see, Toshi coming in at 259 million market cap and actually sitting on some super key support right here. We do not want to break down below this too much, otherwise we might see some lower lows on Toshi. Well, I mean, some of us do want to see lower lows so that we can catch this thing even more on sale, but as you guys could see, are looking a little bit oversold on the 12 hours, so maybe we could possibly start seeing some kind of price action. It just seems like nobody's really trading much, as you guys could see in the past 5 minutes, because people really don't know what to do here. I feel like a lot of people don't want to sell their Toshi, but again, market's looking really volatile. Bitcoin wants to pump. Maybe again we'll see a little bit more upside, right? Again, we have this bull flag possibly forming on the 1-year chart. You know, we've seen it play out right here. Creates this flagpole, creates a flag, shoots up, flagpole shoots up. You know, still creating that flagpole there on the one day. But again, look, we got a shoulder, head, shoulder here. This is what we were talking about the other day, and we had this flagpole again, this bear flag, and then another bear flag possibly breaking down. We have some support down at 94 right now with Bitcoin, but does seem like the rest of the market is just hanging on with Bitcoin right now. How long is this Bitcoin correction going to last, guys? Again, we talked about in the last video, these Bitcoin corrections kind of range in time, you know, and how long it takes to really start seeing a recovery. You guys could see we are in this orange zone right here, all in this orange zone. This has generally been a zone of extreme fear. You know, when I always say when they're fearful, I'm greedy. When they're greedy, I'm fearful. So right now I am looking for a lot of good projects that are cheap right now because in my opinion I'm long on the market, so I'm dollar cost averaging. You could see this recovery time took some time, right? This took a couple months in order to start feeling good, but the people that were maybe dollar cost averaging during this time into the projects that they liked, they you could see that they had some upside from doing that. If those projects had the volume, not every project will do well in cryptocurrency too, guys. You have to understand that a lot of projects will not do well, guys. A lot of scams out there as well. But I'll tell you one coin that I'm not worried about being a scam, and that's Toshi Coin, guys. Toshi Coin is already listed on Coinbase. This is a big project. I don't think it's a rug pull. I don't think it is going to go to zero. I think that right now the market again is seeing some volatility, and with Bitcoin having some sell-off, Toshi Coin is also seeing some sell-off. But I still honestly see this coin heading over $1 billion. Personally, again, that's just a prediction. It's not to say that that's going to happen, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you go buy this. As a matter of fact, guys, don't ever buy anything you see in my videos. How about that? But again, Bitcoin possibly hoping to find some footing here. Can it? It's not much of a range, but I mean, at least we're trending above 94 again. Are we going to break back up and start retesting 96? You see how volatile Bitcoin has been, right? Bitcoin has just been very unpredictable. We did have a lot of news just happening today, so people kind of setting into the news, trying to see how they feel about it again. Maybe we do see some more sell-off. People, you guys got to understand that some people look to make money on the market on the way down too. When these markets are being manipulated and looking like this, a lot of shorts are being liquidated, and a lot of people that are long on the market are getting liquidated. So again, this is what happens. This is how they get people out the market. This is how they get cheaper prices on the coins that they like. I'm looking for cheaper prices on the coins that I'm bullish on, because again, I do think that we can see a correction in Bitcoin a little more if we need to, but I do still feel like 2025 is going to be a great time to be doing cryptocurrency, and I'm looking to dollar cost average over the next couple weeks and next couple of months, especially because I feel like Bitcoin can go on to hopefully do something positive, right? To go back to new all-time highs again. And there's a lot of bullish stuff going on in the behind the scenes for Bitcoin right now, like a lot of bullish activity. So, you got Trump talking about Bitcoin reserves. You got a lot of countries getting involved in cryptocurrencies. You have entire companies too also getting involved in crypto. So again, this is kind of how it feels. This reminds me so much of like 2020, 2021. It reminds me so much of that time when we had that big run up during COVID. But can we see that run up happen again? Again, I really don't know. Maybe we create that nasty McDonald's M. I tell you guys that I'm not loving it, McDonald's M. And maybe this thing decides it wants to break down. Maybe it needs to consolidate more, similar to like what happened here, right? This thing had to go from like 75,000 all the way down to 52,000 and then shot up. And a lot of the people that were dollar cost averaging into coins that they like were happy that they did. Some people thought that we were getting down here, that it was going to see a massive sell-off. And honestly, this wasn't even that long ago that we were seeing this type of price action. This was just in August. So is Bitcoin due for a correction? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, what are your price predictions on Toshi's? You guys could see Toshi starting to pump a little bit on this 5-minute chart. Can Toshi start seeing a little bit of a comeback? What do you think? Let me know. And also, if you guys are looking to tap into my Telegram, all you got to do is add me over on TikTok. Add me on TikTok, guys, at JTalksCrypto. I need to get to 1,000 people on TikTok so that I can go live. Or if you don't have a TikTok, you can add me also on Instagram at JTalksCrypto. I'm the one that only has like 500 people, guys. I got to get that count up. So help me out over there, and I will hook you up with the invite to my private Telegram. And then if you guys are looking to take it to the next level too, I will leave you guys a link to my Patreon as well, for those of you guys who want to take it to the next level or invest this time into your education. I do think it's a great time to invest into yourself, guys. What better time to invest into yourself and to learn this stuff than when things are on sale and when you could take advantage of these prices? What better time, guys? I don't know a better time. But again, guys, go out there, do your research on everything. As always, not your financial advisor. I'm just your homie, Crypto J. But again, guys, Market's volatile right now. I want to know what you think. How much Toshi are you guys holding? Also, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I need all you guys. We need to all hit the subscribe button. Everybody hit it, guys. We're going to keep covering Toshi again, guys. And, oh, also, how about I'm going to go live in maybe like 30, 40 minutes. We'll give this some time to play out either way. But either way, guys, I'll give you guys some time and we'll go live like 30, 40 minutes. But we got to get this video actually to 100 likes in order for me to go live. Let's do that. How about that? Let's do that. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.